Yeah. So before begin the class, before start the portrait, so we have to learn some facial expressions, which is very much required in portrait and figure drawing. So facial expressions are very much important. I'll tell you why facial expressions are very important. The significance of emotions increases to a large extent when a man plays his role. The human face contributes greatly when we consider human picture. Every different feeling is expressed through eyes, nose and lips. In each and every expressions, shapes of eyebrows, eyes, nose and lips change. Observe all these changes in eyebrows, eyes, nose and lips due to different emotions. Now now draw the pictures having different expressions. I will show you how you are going to draw this one. So you can see here. See here, smile and bitterness and tears, laughter, angerness and sorrow. So still so many are there, but for time being we are going to learn only this much. Okay. So I will show you first how that sketch should be. So here I have a A4 paper. Now first I am going to show you this loafer, how that sketch should be. Whatever the drawing it is, please start with a basic shapes. Okay, basic shapes. If you want the face should be like that, so you can draw circle or oval, but I will draw the circle like this. This is the eyebrow part and eye part, and this is the nose part, and this is the lip part. Okay, yes. Now this portion it's already ready. Now what you have to do is, now you are going to add a detail. As this is the eyebrows. So always remember one thing, this is the nose part, and for eyes we will take 3 eye measurement. Okay, this is one eye and this is one eye. Here in between what gap will be there, this will calculate as one eye. So total these 3 will equals to 3 eye measurement. Okay, 3 eye measurement. So I'm going to leave some space from here to here and I'll mark. Okay, this will be the eye part and this is the nose part. So how you are going to draw the nose? How you are going to draw the nose? See, a circle and 2 small circle and 2 circle. Afterwards you can erase these lines, extra lines, and you can join this. Yes. Now the lip part. How you are going to draw lip part? As this is the loafer expression, make sure you are drawing properly. Now this lip part I am drawing. I suggest to use a pencil. So I suggest to use a pen pencil because the sketch will be very light, and if you does a mistake you can erase it easily. So rather than using directly a 8B 6B pencil, try with pen pencil first. For darker shades, of course, you can you have to use HB pencils, sorry, a 6B, 4B, 8B pencils you can use. Okay. So these expressions first we have to learn. When you are going to draw the portraits or figures, first we have to learn these things. The facial expressions are very much important. So this part is then laughtfulness. Now I'm going to show you this angerness. These expressions, how to draw. Of course, I'll start with the basic shape again. The circle. Again, I'll divide into eyebrows, eyes, nose, and lip. Okay. So this is the basic shape first we have to draw before we start the portrait. This is the basic things you have to learn. So students, here I have this paper stumps. Okay, so it is available in all the bookstalls. So you can get this for portrait drawing. One second, let me show you. So you'll get with in different numbers. Okay, so you can use any numbers. So what is the use of these paper stumps? Because see, if you want to smudge easily, you can smudge with this paper stumps. Okay. And for facial expressions, as I said, this will be helpful. This is a helping tool. You can use this. This will be the helping tool. This we'll call it as paper stumps, which is available in all the bookstalls. You'll get it. Okay. Now let me draw this eyebrows. Eyes, again 3 eye measurement, 1, 2 and 3. So this is 1 eye measurement. Okay, don't forget, this is 1 eye and 2 eye and 3 eye. This is 3 eye measurement. Now one more expression we will learn, that is tears. Okay, again I'll start with, now I'll change the shape. Lightly the sketch should be drawn. just lightly you can draw. This is a very good tool, okay, if you are drawing if you are doing portraits or figure drawing. This is a very good tool. Directly you can draw all the expressions, but by using this paper what is this, this one, paper stumps, really you can draw very good, you will get that good expressions by smudging, okay. Just see the lips and you can draw. Use paper stumps for extra shading. Then the eye part. The eye part, again 3 eye measurements, don't forget that. See, below this eyebrow, where this ends, there you have to start the ears and you have to end up here. The nose where it will end, so there you have to end up the ears. Okay, don't forget this. So here you are going to end. Here you are going to end the ear part. Okay. So I think we have finished this part. Just a rough sketch, okay. I'm not going to do this full detailing, just a rough sketch, okay. Now I'm going to start with this ear part. Again, for ear also you can use this paper stumps for smudging. It will be easier for you to smudge. Then can do this neatly. Yes. Use paper stumps for smudging, and for ease, yeah, I think we have finished these 3 expressions. Now we have one more, the bitterness. For that also we'll start with same basic shape. I'll draw basic shape, then we will divide into 4 parts: eyebrows, eyes, nose and lips. Yeah. We'll start with eyebrows. So here I am taking the same face for all the expressions. Okay, you can also try with the same. Yes, first what you have to do is, first you try all these expressions, then you can show me. Okay, you can show me, and if you have any doubts you can just drop a message in chat box. I'll address all your doubts. Yeah, first you finish all this parts. Okay, all these 4 expressions you finish it off, then we'll see, then we will start the portrait. Okay.